Okay, so we're going to be doing a RAM upgrade on the SVJ202A11L. And this is the Sony back cover. You just pull up on it, and it opens right up. Your RAM's underneath this one. So what you'll do is you just unscrew it. The max RAM of this one is 8 gigabytes. So we're going to be putting another 4 gig stick in it because it comes with a 4. And we've got our RAM, we're putting it in. And now it's installed. So now we can just put the cover back on. Screw it down. And the RAM upgrade is done. Hope this video helped you. Bye.